undergoing a challenging time during this COVID period, and we are supposed to do challenges to revive and survive during this period. And during this time, because of elections, some of the senior contestants are talking that IITO is Delhi centric. I don't understand. When they were there for last 22 years, they never said that IITO is Delhi centric. There is a reason behind what is IITO doing in Delhi. And Delhi, India, this our association has good number of chapter chairmen all over India, and on top of that, we have regional chapter chairs to look after the state-related issues, and Delhi office bearers are taking up the issues with the central government. Therefore, we have both, and while during the election, no one is stopping them to file for the nominations pan-India. Then why this question is rising? And we are very clear in IITO that state chapters will take care of the state-related issues, and on top of that, the regional chapter chairs are there, and Delhi is going to take care of Delhi-related, the central government-related issues, so we can cover pan-India. Secondly, this is very painful to receive some, mudslinging happening during this elections, and our senior memberships are alleging some senior dedicated workers who had been, praised about their services, calling them on stages, appraising them, giving them some awards, and then now the same people, they are accusing him that he has mishandled the funds. This is wrong. This is you are unnecessarily creating a feeling that no good people will come for IITO association work. This is a willing work, and people are submitting themselves to do the hard work for the industry and the membership. I think this is not called for, and I request all our membership that you have to look into your own self and see that who to select and who to elect, because you are responsible to electing your own team, and it is your vision that what people you need who can really deliver.